How you doing? This is Gabe Colombo. Let me tell you about my mistakes in slides and levelers. Levelers being these hydraulic levelers that come out of the bottom of the RV, and they make it so it's nice and level inside your coach. They actually make the coach rise up off the ground, which is cool. And you hit an auto leveler on ours, and it does it automatically. So which process is first? How do we handle this? Well, here's what I was told, and this is what we do. When we pull into a spot, first of all, we have 3 slides. 2 little ones on one side and 1 big one on the other side. So my wife goes into the coach. She puts out the small ones first, but I'm outside watching, making sure there's no problem, making sure they don't hit nothing. They come out okay. That's my job. And we have a walkie-talkie with us to talk to each other. Hey, that looks good. Do the next one. We know what's going on. If there's a problem, I go, hey, stop. Which we haven't had that problem, but I'm ready for it at all times to say, hey, stop. So then she says, hey, you ready for the next one? So I go to the big slide on the other side, and I tell her on the walkie, I'm ready to go. She puts that one out too, and I'm watching that too and paying attention. So then after that's done, then it's time to do the auto leveling, which our system has. You hit auto level, and the airbags start shh, and the coach starts coming down. They start letting all the air out of the airbags of the coach because it has an airbag ride with it. Then all of a sudden the levelers come out, and they start coming out, and it shows when you're level, and then they shut off, and you're good to go, and you're level. It's good to go. It's good. That's good for the RV. It's also good for living in here that way, and the slides are happy too. Well, what do we do when it's time to leave? Okay, it's time to leave. We're going to pack up. First thing we do is we pull up our levelers first. We do that first. Once those come up, I start the coach. Whoop, what happens? I started the coach. So the airbags start to fill up. And as they fill up, oh, the RV starts going up. And we're real happy. It's getting real nice and big up and level where it's supposed to be to drive, right? When that's all done, I hear a psh, because the airbags, the tanks have filled up, and you hear a psh from the diesel. It makes a noise. And all the airbags are full. The tanks are ready. You could drive if you wanted to, except what? My slides are still out. So I'm outside, I got my walkie, she's got hers. I said, go ahead. She does the small ones first. I'll watch those come in. And then she does the big one last. And I'll watch those come in, and I make sure everything's okay on that. That's very important. So I know it's a lot. I learned it from Newmar's factory. How did I do that? Well, I picked up my RV there at the factory pickup. That's what I did. I spent a whole week there. And while I was there, they said they used to have different ways of doing slides and jacks on setup and teardown. But they told me this is what they settled on. These steps that I've given you for when you arrive for the levelers and the jacks levelers, this is what they recommend you follow. And this happened in 2025. And I did a video on the factory pickup. If you check one of my videos, one of my first videos on picking up a Newmar at the factory. So other manufacturers may have different ways they handle it. Newmar is the first one to come out with the slides, so I figure they know what they're doing, and I've been following what they said, and it works great for me. So if you like this video and my other videos, give me a subscribe. I really need it. And plus, I'd like it if you got an alarm saying, hey, he's got a new video out there. I want to see that. Yeah, that'd be awesome. Plus, if you give me a like, I'd like that too. Hey, I need your help over here. Help me out. So, Gabe says, I'll see ya when I see ya.